Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am doing well. Thank you for asking. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, teacher, I slept well.
That is good. Did you come to school early today?
Yes, I arrived a little early.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, teacher, I completed all the homework.
Excellent. May I see your notebook?
Of course, teacher. Here it is.
Now tell me something about your morning routine. What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
What did you do after waking up?
First, I brushed my teeth and washed my face.
Good. What did you do next?
Then I took a shower and got dressed for school.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate breakfast with my family.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs, bread, and drank a cup of tea.
That sounds like a healthy breakfast.
Yes, teacher.
How did you come to school today?
I came to school by bus.
How long does it take you to reach school?
It takes about 20 minutes.
That is not very far from here.
No, it is quite close.
Do you like coming to school?
Yes, teacher, I enjoy learning new things.
That is wonderful to hear. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you practice English at home?
Yes, I try to practice every day.
How do you practice?
I read English books and watch English videos.
That is a very good method.
Sometimes I also practice speaking with my friend.
Excellent. Speaking practice is very important.
Teacher, sometimes I feel shy when speaking English.
That is normal. Many students feel shy at first.
What should I do to overcome that?
You should practice regularly and not worry about mistakes.
So making mistakes is okay?
Yes, mistakes are part of the learning process.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Confidence is the key to learning any language.
I will try to be more confident.
Very good. Now let us talk about your hobbies.
Sure, teacher.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like playing football and reading storybooks.
Football is a great sport. Do you play with your friends?
Yes, we play in the park near my house.
How often do you play?
I usually play football 3 or 4 times a week.
That is good exercise.
Yes, it is fun too.
And what kind of books do you like to read?
I like adventure and mystery stories.
Those are very exciting genres.
Yes, they keep me interested.
Reading books can improve your vocabulary.
I have noticed that.
Do you write new words when you find them?
Yes, I write them in a small notebook.
That is an excellent habit.
It helps me remember the words.
What do you want to become in the future?
I want to become a teacher.
That is a wonderful goal.
I want to help students learn and grow.
That is very inspiring.
Thank you, teacher.
A good teacher can change many lives.
I hope I can become a good teacher one day.
With hard work and dedication, you can achieve your dream.
I will work hard.
Now let us practice a short English conversation.
Okay.
If you meet a new person, what will you say first?
I will say, hello, nice to meet you.
Good. And what question can you ask?
I can ask, what is your name?
Very good. What else can you ask?
I can ask, where are you from?
Excellent.
Teacher, learning conversations is very helpful.
Yes, conversations help you speak naturally.
I enjoy practicing them.
I am glad to hear that. Now tell me, what did you learn today?
Today I learned about correcting mistakes in practicing conversation.
Very good.
I also learned that confidence is important.
Exactly.
And practicing every day helps improve English.
Perfect answer.
Thank you, teacher.
Before we finish, do you have any questions?
No, teacher. Everything is clear.
Good.
Thank you for teaching me today.
You are welcome.
I learned many useful things.
I am happy to hear that.
I will practice English at home.
Excellent. For homework, please write 10 sentences about your daily routine.
I will do it.
Also try to speak English for 10 minutes today.
Okay, teacher.
All right, our lesson is finished for today.
Thank you, teacher.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.